Tips for traders. User risk management. Trading with binary options, Forex or similar markets presents a high risk. You can make a lot of profits, but you will also have some losses, just like any other trader in the market. The risk of making a bad trade closed with a loss is always present. Therefore, it is necessary to manage your money well in order to reduce losses, thus protecting your capital. You cannot control price movements, nor can you be 100% sure of the results of your trading. However, it is possible to control when to trade, when not to trade, and the value of each trade. Establish your gain goals for each session as well as loss tolerances. Be a prudent trader and know when to stop. Understand that the greater the losses suffered, the more difficult it will be to recover your capital.